Hello, Extension colleagues. This video is for those who are looking to schedule an event that could result in the need for interpretation. Interpretation requests should be submitted through OAIC's request form. OAIC will reach out and designate a number relating to your project. I'm going to show you how to enable the interpretation feature in Zoom. Zoom interpretation must be enabled when scheduling your event. Think of it like preheating the oven, the first step in a recipe. But for now, follow these steps. To do so, go to your Zoom application. Follow these 4 steps. 1. Navigate to Meetings and click Schedule a Meeting. 2. Click Generate Automatically next to Meeting ID. 3. Scroll down and check the box to enable language interpretation for the meeting. 4. Input LC Miranda at wisc.edu for your English Spanish interpreter, as well as ATAL9 at wisc.edu as your English Hmong interpreter. It's okay if these are not the languages you are requesting. That can be changed later. This last step is very important because the Office of Access, Inclusion, and Compliance needs to know the date of the event to plug into our shared work queue or calendar. Some helpful tips for those who have never worked with Zoom interpretation before. 1. Schedule some time before the meeting for yourself and your participants to become familiar with Zoom and Zoom interpretation. 2. Notify interpreters of the expected time they can log on to the Zoom meeting, as well as when they can expect to log off. 3. Schedule a practice meeting prior to your actual event. For any questions, please contact OAIC at oaic@extension.wisc.edu or submit a request through our forum.